It's 10 a.m. Obviously I'm a bit scruffy at the moment because I'm just working on things. Anyway, excuse that. Just finished the ceiling, and heaven forbid, the one thing that I would rather didn't happen has happened, and it has started raining. There you go. The heavens have opened. So my next plan is just to obviously let that cure and dry before I put this stuff on. Now this stuff I'm excited about. This is Cromapol. See if I can get it up for you. Cromapol. This stuff is the stuff that is going to act as a watertight seal. It's got the same ingredients as the frame sealant, no, the sealant, no nonsense sealant I just showed you. Cromapol, blimey, it's heavy. 5 kilos. So this is a 5 kilo tin. This stuff's going to be going on the roof. Now this stuff is what I'm going to use to kind of shore up the roof in areas where it's leaking. Obviously now that I've put the sealant on those edges, I'll put that down. I'm really happy about that. So that'll help me out a great deal in sealing up this van. Because we've already identified that the areas where it's most likely to come in is between the fiberglass and the metal where it comes through. That's the only obvious place that I can see. So that's probably where it'll be. And obviously there's rust on the underside to show where the water's coming through. So with this stuff that I bought down here, the Cromapol, I'll pick it up again, get it into shot. With this stuff, excuse the mess, with this stuff I will be able to apply it to the fiberglass, and because it's fiberglass and metal accepting, so I'll be able to put this onto the basically any structure of the van, that any part of it that I need to, that I'm not so happy with, and any cracks and stuff that I've already filled in. There's not that much, so when I put that on, it forms a watertight seal, and you can apply it in, so you can also apply it in pretty crap conditions. So thank you to Cromapol for that. They, just to let you know, they ordered, when I ordered it, they delivered it in like the very next day, and I'd ordered it at like 9 PM. I was like, what? How have you managed to do that? It was so quick. It was like 24-hour delivery or something silly. Anyway, so that's what I'll be using. I'll do another video about that, and I will also be at some point taking these things down individually and repairing where the water's coming in. Oh, there it is. So yeah, there's a few areas that need doing. So the plan is, one at a time, to take these things off, down, and then to seal where the screws are here, and just put some stuff. But I'll probably try and do it from the top as well. Unfortunately at the moment the weather is not very permitting. If I just move you to there, you can't actually see the weather, never mind. The weather's really not permitting at the moment. So we'll see how we get on, and that's your update.